If you want to earn money on itch.io, this video will walk you through the simple setup you need to start selling your games, assets, or mods the right way. We'll cover how to choose a pricing model, how to connect your payment method, and how to make sure your project is ready to accept payments. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and creator guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your itch.io account and open your seller settings. You can go directly to your itch.io seller dashboard at itch.io/user/settings/seller. This is where itch.io lets you connect your payment details and choose how you want to get paid. Once you're on the seller page, the first thing to understand is your pricing model. Itch.io gives you a few different ways to earn money, and choosing the right one depends on how you want to sell your project. The first option is collected by itch.io, paid later. With this setup, itch.io collects the money from your customers first, and then you request a payout later in bulk. This is a good option if you want a simpler setup and don't mind waiting until you cash out. The second option is direct to you. This means you get paid immediately when someone makes a purchase. To use this option, you'll need to connect the payment providers you want to support, such as PayPal or Stripe. This is the better choice if you want faster access to your earnings and more direct control over your payouts. Now that you understand the pricing models, the next step is to set up your payment method. If you choose direct payouts, you can connect PayPal for payouts and Stripe for processing credit and debit card payments. Follow the prompts on the seller settings page to link your account, verify your details, and make sure everything is authorized correctly. This part is important because without a working payment method, customers may not be able to complete their purchases. After that, upload your project if you haven't already. On itch.io, you can sell more than just games. You can also sell asset packs, mods, sound effects tools, and other digital downloads. When you create or edit your project, go to the pricing section and choose whether you want to charge a fixed price, use a pay-what-you-want model, or make the project free while still allowing donations. If you choose a fixed price, buyers must pay the amount you set before they can download it. If you choose pay-what-you-want, customers can enter a price themselves, and that can help you attract more downloads while still earning revenue from supporters. If you make it free, you can still let fans donate if they want to support your work. That can be a great strategy if you're building an audience or releasing smaller projects to grow your visibility. As you set everything up, double-check your project page, your payment settings, and your pricing structure. Make sure your title, description, and download files are all polished, because a clear and professional project page can help you convert more visitors into buyers. Also, make sure your payment account is properly verified so there are no issues when it's time to receive money. And that's it. Once your project is uploaded, your pricing is set, and your payment method is connected, you're ready to start earning money on itch.io. Whether you're selling a game, an asset pack, or a mod, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck making your first sales on itch.io.